Hi friends, today we will discuss a most important topic. Why today is most important day of your life. Utilize time well. Care for the present if you want to live life fully. Make your day better. It will make your past worth remembering and to look ahead for bright future. Plan your day well to be successful, happy and peaceful. Plan your day at least one day before. 10 points are worth remembering. First, do not repent for the past, you cannot change it. Living in the past too long is wasting time and you create mental barriers. Second, stop daydreaming. Too much time expecting future events may also spoil your time. Over planning results in more procrastination. Third, take care of every moment. Take care of every moment today. Today is the most important day, remember always. Divide your time in 10 minutes chunk. You can have max 100 such units every day. 16 hours effective time. Leaving 8 hours for good sleep and rest to energize yourself well. Fourth, get up early morning, go out for walking and jogging, be with nature, see sunrise, do some free hand exercise. Energize yourself. Fifth, enjoy early morning bath at room temperature, have healthy eating habits. Take breakfast in right time, have snacks in between. Sixth, do journaling and make it a habit also to write diary daily. Check what you are doing wrong and not contributing to your goals. While doing so, update your to-do list and prioritize the same. Know what you want to do first. Highlight 3 big tasks. Seventh, highlight 3 big tasks and start the hardest one first in the morning, as Mr. Brian Tracy has told the Eat That Frog book. Know what matters to you. Do not spoil time beating on the bush. Take up those important 25% tasks which can give you 75% results. So be selective. 8. Very important. Read and write daily. Read good books and improve your knowledge base and mental capability. Read good blogs. Watch YouTube TVs, videos. Watch TED Talks and learn new things daily. Write at least 2 pages on any topic daily as you like and share your views on social media. So this read and write, reading and writing are very important. 9th, take care of your social relationships on priority even if you are very busy on personal engagements. 10th, structure your free time. Allot some time to sit in solitude and silence. Self-talk. Relax. No, time is limited. You need to utilize it well. Stay focused at work. Your present works will strengthen the foundation stones to build your future. Present moment is the most important to you. Always remember. Thank you. Wish you best luck.